Here are 10 tips to start your business. Number 1, come up with a business idea. Make sure it's viable, and I mean by in demand, something you can get paid for, not an expensive hobby, okay? Number 2, make sure the business idea aligns with your God-given purpose and your passion. That's important. Many people start businesses and they don't want to finish because they're just like done with it. They're not passionate about it anymore, and it doesn't align with their purpose. But one thing I've learned, if you start a business that aligns with your purpose, most likely you'll continue that business because you're going to feel rewarding and you're going to impact and change lives. That makes a difference. Number 3, come up with a business name. Once you come up with that business name, number 4, you need to search the trademark office to make sure that that name has not been taken. Go to your Secretary of State and search all the social media sites so that the name that you're interested in is not taken. Number 5, obtain your virtual address, which is a business address. You need this before you structure your business. Number 6, obtain the professional domain name, which will also give you your email address and a professional phone number. That's important. Number 7, structure your business with the Secretary of State. So you want to get that structured, and preferably an LLC. That is important if you want to start building business credit and if you want people to take your business serious. Number 8, obtain your EIN number with the IRS, which is free. It's a free to do. Obtain it. That helps with the business credit as well. Number 9, open up a business checking account and savings account. That's important. We don't want to commingle our personal funds with our business funds, okay? Number 10, obtain your DUNS number and start building business credit. And there you have it. You have started your business. Now, if you need more help with starting your business and finding your God-given purpose, guess what? You're in luck. I have a free class, Masterclass, that I put together. It's less than 30 minutes, and I go over all of that. How to find your God-given purpose, how to start the business, and how to build business credit. If you need further help, check out the link below, okay? And take advantage of the training or comment Masterclass. Talk to you later. Bye. Shaquille Lovett, Business Coach.